Everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make facial toner. Okay, so our facial toner today is going to have carrier oil. So if you have never made your own facial toner with carrier oil before, this is a video you want to watch to the end. I'm going to choose sweet almond carrier oil because it's a very good skin softening oil. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the recipe as we go. Okay, so stay tuned so you can have all the recipe I use for this video. The number one ingredient we're going to use is sweet almond oil. So measure 2 grams of sweet almond oil. So we're making sweet almond facial toner. So measure 2 grams of sweet almond oil. Then you're going to add your solubilizer to that. Okay, so the best solubilizer for carrier oil, like I've showed you on the channel before, is polysorbate 80 or 60. So I'm going to use polysorbate 60 at the same amount as my carrier oil. So measure 2 grams of polysorbate 80. 2 grams of polysorbate 80. This is going to solubilize your carrier oil so that when you mix it in water, it will not be floating, so it will not be separated. So add your solubilizer to your carrier oil and mix it well. So that's our first step. Add your solubilizer to your carrier oil and mix it well. Then to this we are going to add our distilled water. So distilled water, we're going to add 90 grams of distilled water. 90 grams of distilled water. So that we'll add 90 grams of distilled water. Mix it well. That is our first step. So to that we are going to add 5 grams of organic vegetable glycerin. 5 grams of organic vegetable glycerin. Mix it well. Finally, to that we are going to add our preservative. My preservative of choice today is 6LP9010. It's a good broad spectrum preservative. So that at 1 gram. Measure that 1 gram. Mix it well. So all we have to do now is to check and adjust the pH of our facial toner. So basically all you have to do is check the pH and adjust it appropriately. Make sure the pH is between 5 and 5.5. It can also go up to 6, but not more than that. Between 5.5 or 6. Okay, for aging skin you may want to choose between 5.5 and 6. Okay, so that's about it for this. Is a very excellent facial toner. Any polysorbate is going to turn your product cloudy, so that's another thing you want to consider when you want to use polysorbate. But within 24 hours it's going to lighten up a little bit. Polysorbate 80, it will produce a lighter milky solution, not like polysorbate 20 that's going to be really milky. So that's about it. This is our facial toner. This is our sweet almond facial toner. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to make other interesting products too. If you want to learn how to make retail grade beauty products, a project at a time, join me at stablecosmeticformulas.com. That's where we do a lot of interesting retail grade projects, which I believe you're going to love. Thanks for joining me, and happy formulating, everyone.